Here's how to easily have social media buttons on your website in a few simple steps. On this page, we have two types of social media buttons. Share this page buttons. These buttons will enable the visitors to share their page on social media networks with their friends. Follow us buttons. Once a visitor clicks on the buttons, it will open that social network page in a new browser, and they will be able to explore your social media page content. Now let's see how to set up the social media share and follow app. First, you'll need to install the app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Here is a quick tutorial on the app. We can choose to enable the sharing widget or the following widget or both. Then we can change the theme from the Themes menu. From the Content menu, we can add or remove social media platforms. For example, we will remove email and add Tumblr instead. Here we can customize the media sharing content. We can also edit the layout and design of the buttons. Additionally, we can also edit the position of the buttons by heading to the Position menu and changing the tooltip placement of the buttons. Here in the Visibility menu, we can choose between displaying the buttons on all pages or on selected pages only. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.